Imagine this, you're gripping the wheel at dusk, the city lights blurring into streaks as a primal growl rumbles beneath you. That's the 2026 Ford Mustang EcoBoost, not just a car, but a heartbeat accelerator that demands you stay strapped in. Buckle up, because we're tearing through its performance, exterior flair, and interior wizardry that'll have you hitting replay. First, the soul, performance that punches like a heavyweight champ. Under the hood, a 2.3-liter turbocharged EcoBoost inline-4 unleashes 315 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque, raw, unfiltered thrill from 93-octane fuel. Paired with a slick 10-speed automatic transmission, it catapults from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, slicing corners with a near-perfect 54-46 weight distribution. And for drift junkies? The optional RTR performance package borrows dark horse DNA, electronic drift brake, anti-lag system, and Brembo brakes that let you slide like a pro without the wipeout. Fuel sipping at 21 city/32 highway mpg means this beast runs all day, every twist your playground. Now, feast your eyes on the exterior, pure aggression sculpted for the hunt. Aerodynamic lines carve the air, with a snarling front fascia flanked by razor-sharp LED tri-bar headlights that pierce the night. The RTR edition amps it with carbon fiber accents, a massive rear spoiler, and 19-inch blacked-out wheels wrapped in sticky Michelin rubber. Shadow black or Oxford white paint gleams under street lamps, turning heads while whispering, "Chase me if you dare." It's not just looks, it's engineered menace, every curve tuned for downforce and drama. Step inside, and luxury meets lunacy. The cockpit wraps you in soft-touch leather and Alcantara, with heated, ventilated Recaro seats hugging every curve of your body. A 13.2-inch capacitive touchscreen dominates the dash, syncing wirelessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto via Ford's intuitive S1C4. Below it, a 12.4-inch digital cluster morphs themes, from serene normal to fiery track, while ambient lighting pulses to your playlist. Ambient sounds? The engine's roar amplifies through speakers, making you feel the road's every whisper. This Mustang EcoBoost isn't built for blending in, it's forged to ignite. What's your ultimate mod dream for it? Drop it in the comments, smash like if you're revving up to own one, and subscribe for the GT showdown next. The road's calling, answer it.